Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to change location on Google Chrome. So, in order to do this, first of all, open Google Chrome on your PC. Now, simply click on this small extension icon and click on Manage Extensions. Now, on this page, you can click on this link that says Chrome Web Store. Now, in order to access Chrome Web Store through another way, simply type in Chrome Web Store, hit enter and click on this link. Now, you'll be taken over to the Chrome Web Store. Here, you're simply going to click on the search extensions and theme option at the top and type in VPN and hit enter. Or you can simply type in Urban VPN and hit enter. Now, this is the extension that I use to change location on Google Chrome. I will click on Add to Chrome button here. Click on Add Extension. Now, this will instantly download this extension onto my Chrome, where you will see when you click on this extension icon, you will see Urban Proxy. Click on the small pin icon and open a new tab. Now, you will see a robot-like icon. Click on it and click on Agree and Continue. Now, in order to change your location to another country, simply choose the country in this field. You can simply type in the country's name, choose that country, and it will instantly change your location to that specific country. As you can see, my location has been changed and the VPN is currently in use. The timer will be just right here. You can also click on this small pause icon and pause this if you want to stop this VPN. If you want to start changing the location again, simply choose this, choose a country and click on this play icon and your location will be instantly changed. For example, I will go to the search bar and type in what's my location after enabling my Urban Proxy VPN. Now I will hit enter and choose my location navigator. And as you can see, it shows that my location is in Kaufman Park, US. But actually, I'm sitting in India right now. So I will turn this Urban Proxy VPN off. Now I will refresh this page and I will scroll down. Now I'll refresh this. And as you can see, now it shows that my location is in India. And when I turn the Urban VPN on and refresh this page, you can see my location is instantly changed to United States. Now I have one more way through which you can stop any sites from getting your location. Simply click on this three-dotted icon at the top right. From these options, choose Settings. Now navigate to Privacy and Security option, scroll down and click on Site Settings. Now choose Location under Permission and choose Don't allow sites to see your location. When you choose this, any site won't be able to see your location on Google Chrome. So by doing this, you can easily change your location on Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.